Why 99% of people stay broke and how to escape the trap. Most people will never become wealthy, not because they don't want to, but because they're trapped in a system designed to keep them broke. Today, we're going deep into why 99% of people struggle financially and, more importantly, how you can break free. Let's start with a simple but painful question. Why do some people become rich while others stay broke their whole lives? It's not just luck. It's not just hard work. It's a mindset shift, a different way of seeing money, time, and opportunities. Let me tell you a story. The $10 versus $10,000 mindset. Two friends, John and Mike, start their careers at the same time. They both earn the same salary. But 10 years later, John is still living paycheck to paycheck, while Mike is financially free. What happened? Mike understood something John didn't. The way you think about money determines your future. John spent his money on things that made him feel rich. New clothes, a nicer car, expensive dinners. But Mike focused on buying assets, investing in skills, saving, and building sources of income beyond his job. This small difference created a huge gap over time. The 3 money traps keeping you broke. Key cap 1, the consumer mindset. Most people are trained to spend money, not grow it. Think about it. Everywhere you look, companies are fighting for your attention, trying to sell you things you don't need. New phone, new clothes, new subscription services, it never ends. The result? You work harder to earn more, only to spend it all again. That's modern slavery. You're free, but your mind is trapped in a cycle. Key cap 2, trading time. For money, most people work for money instead of making money work for them. If your income stops when you stop working, you're stuck in a time for money trap. The wealthy focus on passive income, investments, businesses, or digital assets that make money even while they sleep. Ever wonder why your boss earns 10 times more than you, even though you work just as hard? Because they own the system, you just work in it. Key cap 3, ignoring financial education. School teaches you how to be a good employee, but never how to build wealth. You could spend 16 years in school and never learn about investing, taxes, or passive income. That's why rich people pass down knowledge, not just money. Because a broke mindset will waste $1 million, but a wealthy mindset can turn $1 into $1 million. How to escape the broke cycle. Why'd heavy checkmarks shift your mindset? Start seeing money as a tool, not just something to spend. Ask yourself, how can I make this money grow? Instead of what can I buy with it? Why'd heavy checkmarks stop living paycheck to paycheck? Track your spending, cut unnecessary expenses, and save aggressively. The less you need to survive, the more freedom you have. Why'd heavy checkmark build multiple income streams? Relying on one job is dangerous. Start a side hustle, invest, or create digital assets that can generate money. Why'd heavy checkmark invest in yourself? The best investment isn't stocks or real estate. It's you. Learn skills that can help you earn more, whether it's copywriting, coding, or sales. Why'd heavy checkmark be patient? Most people give up too soon. Wealth isn't built overnight, but with consistent effort, even small changes can lead to huge results. If you don't control money, money will control you. The good news? You have the power to change your financial future, starting today. The question is, are you willing to take action, or will you stay in the same cycle forever? Drop a fire in the comments if you're ready to take control of your financial future. Subscribe for more deep insights on wealth, mindset, and personal growth. Thumbs up if this video helped you. Give it a like and share it with someone who needs this. Speech balloon comment below. What's one financial mistake you wish you had avoided?